Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is a Velvetlox coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. In this video, I'm going to show you another way of making parsley tea. And what this is using dry parsley leaves. Now, I have a huge bag full of parsley leaves that I just picked up from Amazon. And this is a more effective way of making parsley if you don't have the fresh parsley leaves, if you can't get the fresh parsley leaves in your part of town. Well, here is another way that you can still get the results of losing weight using parsley. Now, parsley is a diuretic, and what that means is it makes you pee a lot. It's going to release the fluid in your body. So if you're having trouble with bloating, water retention, like swollen ankles, you know, your body is puffing up because of the excess water, well, this is another way to get rid of it, and that's through peeing a lot. And this way you do not waste your parsley. I have a very bad habit of always throwing out parsley because it spoils too fast. Okay, so like I said, I purchased a very big bag. It's over a pound. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll have all the info down below. And I have my favorite tea kettle, which I'm going to be using today. Now, you can also use a regular pot of boiling water. You can use these little tea strainers, because what this is loose tea leaves. So you can put your tea leaves in here. Okay, if you don't have a tea kettle that has an infused cup, or you can just boil this in a pot like I used to do, okay, before I got all fancy. So in today's video, we're going to be using some parsley leaves as well as some ginger, some lemon, and honey for taste if you choose. This is optional. Okay, now I'm starting off with 1.8 liters of water in my kettle, because I'm going to be making enough for the day so that I can drink it throughout the day. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grate my ginger root, because I want it to extract as it's boiling. I'll also have in the description bar the link for this tea kettle as well, for those of you who are interested in purchasing it from Amazon. And this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so I'm finished grating my ginger, and I'm just going to take it and pop it right inside my infuser cup, my strainer. Now this smells really good. Okay, really nice green parsley leaves. And I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. I'm going to start off with 2 teaspoons. So I'm just going to pop that in my infuser cup. Turn it on and let it start to bubble. And let me just tell you a little something about this wonderful tea kettle. For those of you, if this is your first time actually seeing this video or seeing this tea kettle, this is a wonderful tea kettle. It's a glass tea kettle that I purchased on Amazon. It comes with the strainer container for the middle. It's also removable, so you can just boil straight water in there. You can add your tea leaves in there straight if you want it that way, or you can put it inside your internal strainer. Okay, and what I did was I actually put fresh ginger root, grated ginger root inside there as well. So you can use this strainer for multiple purposes. Now what this tea kettle does is it heats up really fast. It's electric. That little pad right there is what's heating this thing up really quick. And what I like about this is that it heats up really fast, and it also gives you a little light show at the same time. So if you're making your tea late at night, this is a LED Light Tea Kettle, and it illuminates multiple colors as it's boiling, and it's so pretty. So I'm going to show you really quickly. And I think it illuminates at least about 4 different colors, but it's so pretty, it's so soothing, it's so nice, especially at night. So being that I have a lot of water in here, it's going to take some time to actually boil. So in the meantime, just stay tuned for these wonderful announcements.
Hey family, this is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.
Now look at that rich color of the parsley leaves. And one thing I love about this tea kettle is that it automatically shuts off when it's ready. Alright, so you don't have to worry about forgetting you're plugged in. It's going to go off by itself. So my tea is finished boiling, and I'm going to allow it to steep a little bit just to get more of that rich extract flavor from the parsley leaves. Okay, so I will be back after these wonderful announcements. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, you guys, so my tea is finished cooling down a bit. It's not piping hot. And like I said, I'm making enough for the day. So this way I'm not constantly brewing, which is one of the benefits of this tea kettle. You can actually make tea in large quantities and just have it on the side until needed. Next, I'm just going to juice a little bit of my lemon. And lastly, I'm just going to add a little bit of my honey, about a teaspoon. And there you have it, you guys, a wonderful weight loss tea that has so many wonderful benefits for your body, okay? And I'm going to list some of those benefits down on the side of the screen for those of you who are not too familiar with parsley. And I'm just going to pop my straw in and enjoy a nice parsley tea. Now, you can find these wonderful reusable metal straws in the Amazon affiliate links down below underneath this video. These are reusable, and they come with cleaning brushes, okay? So like I said, you guys, this wonderful parsley leaf is 100% natural. It's a pound's worth, and I bought it from a company, I think it's called Earthwise, but I'm going to also list the information down below for those of you who are interested, as well as this wonderful illuminating LED light kettle that comes with a tea strainer attachment and makes it so much easier for those who want to boil and steep tea. Also, you can boil your lemon pieces in there. You can also boil your ginger pieces all together with your leaf, and you have it all in one pot. And all you got to do, it automatically strains as you pour. But this is a wonderful tea that's going to help you to shed that weight. Drink it every day. Okay, you can drink it several times for the day. In the morning before breakfast. You can also drink it for lunch as well as before dinner. And you can also drink it afterwards as well. I guarantee you, you will see weight loss in no time. Alright? So I want to thank you all for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Okay? Sharing is caring, you guys. So share it with a friend who is struggling with their weight, who is having trouble with bloating. This is what's going to help to flush that excess water out of their body. Okay, check down below in my eBay store for wonderful links for the Flat and Firm Belly Detox, the Immunity Booster, the wonderful Living Bitters, as well as the herbal honeys for both him and her. And also check out my other channel, Velvetlox, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, family vlog, and more. Subscribe on your way out if you're not already a Loyalty Squad member. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and personalize it to all so you will not miss another one of these wonderful videos. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.